Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here all we have to do is to find the security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint. If you do not have any kind of screen lock, you will have to set it right now, just like I have to. If you've got one, it will be transferred to another step. So let me pick the pattern, let's draw it, redraw it, and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen, so it's up to you. Just mark the option and tap on done. And let's tap on start. Finally, we can set our fingerprint, and basically we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located right here, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition. Okay, we've got our fingerprint added, so let's tap on done. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the unlock and privacy and app encryption. You can change the animations, the icon patterns. You can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon on the off screen. Everything up to you. You can customize it just like you want to. Here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it right here or rename it just by tapping on it. You can add another fingerprint, verify fingerprints, so it is useful if you've got a lot of fingerprints added and you're not really sure which one is which. Here on-screen fingerprint instructions and privacy statement. Alright, let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got our fingerprint sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.